believe I found it. Hi everyone, I'm so glad that you're here. Welcome. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul. I've been fighting going in there for the last few weeks. Something's been nagging at me. I need to go in. There's going to be new items. I just had the feeling. I just had the feeling. I just had the feeling. So let's see what I was feeling about. All right, so you saw the footage. You saw my reaction. What in the world have I found? Well, let me show you. The item I was gasping over. I don't even know how much I paid for it. I really should find my receipt. Let me do that first. All right, well, they got me on this one. This rang up $5. I was kind of hoping that the dot meant $1.50. Whatever. It's a make-your-own pom-pom garland, but it's the candy corn, and that's what I decorate my kitchen for during Halloween. You know what I meant there. Okay. Yeah, I just fried my own brain reading that price. Why did I do that? All right. For $1.25, they have packaged all three of the pom-pom makers. I bought one of these smaller ones recently, and it was broken. So I said for $1.25, I'm getting all three. Because you can make these and put them on danglies that you're using on junk journals, whatever you want. Before the school supplies run out, I'm trying to get things that I like to use in my craft room for $1.25, so I grabbed another one of these. All right, so everything in this first bag rang up at $1.25 in this particular store. I just checked my receipt, and I guess they have, yeah, these craft clamps ring up $1.25, but they have the red dot on them, so they haven't put it in the register yet. So I got these for crafting. I got 6. They got me. I thought it said Lisa Frank, and I scooped it up. Tell me that doesn't look like Lisa Frank right there. Anyway, it's scented washables, broadline markers. I mean, yeah, can't have too many pens in your craft room. Scoop these up, $1.25, before those go up. I saw a box of these, and I don't have this scent. I only grabbed 2. I was very controlled. The watermelon scent Be Pure hand sanitizer. I picked this up because I'm quite sure that this is a name brand, and I saw this same exact bottle, and I'll put the picture up here, in Dollar General selling for $8. I got it for $1.25 at the dollar store. So if that's something you like to use, it's a hair mask, restore and replenish hair to reveal rejuvenated, refreshed strands. Alright, here's the rest of these. I'm going to put them all together. These are all the pop sugar. It's like, these feel like a powder, liquid, powder, powder, liquid. These two are a liquid, Play and Nourish. Play is rose and ylang, something. Nourish is coconut and jojoba oil. So these are 2 body oils. And then these are the 3, I guess, bath enhancers. And they're just, you pour the packets into a full tub, and soak for at least 15 minutes. Gonna be doing that. Alright, so I got this no talking button next. Do I want to pay $1.50 for anything in the dollar store?
Forget it.
So, yeah, this is supposed to be like a no talking button.
No way. Absolutely not. It's a no for me.
Okay. We might need to keep this up here. Alright, hand sanitizer. Don't have it, never seen it. It is pumpkin scented and I needed it. So I got that. I picked up this. Now look, I'm a dork, okay? And my son laughed at me. But I think this would be fun if you guys each told me what state you live in, and then we can see if we can get all 50 states colored in. Would that be fun, or is that dorky? I thought it was cute. So yeah, this comes with like 6 maps, and on the back, it just, you know, kind of shows you that we have mountains here, and we grow crops here in the flatlands. And so if you want to, put where you live, and we'll color in the map, see if we can get all 50 states. Maybe that'll be fun. I want to use this in my planner tomorrow for my plan with me. These are just stamps, and it's coffee, and it's fabulous. Might have them, might not, we don't know. These were cool. They bring up $1.25. They're just 4 magnets in here, and they're cute. They say things I'm avoiding, have a great day, to do, whatever. Or I guess this is the only one that has something. These you write in. You know what I mean. Cute. These were precious and adorable, and I will be wearing these at 57 years old because I don't care. You know, you care about what you look like, and, you know, are you meeting all the styling trend? Yeah, that goes by the wayside when you hit menopause years. You just do whatever you want because you've lived long enough that you can tell people some things, okay? These are little animal Band-Aids. And not only are they animal Band-Aids, but they have little arms. And those arms are what hugs your boo-boo. I'm going to be wearing them. Hug a boo-boo. Adorable. Never seen it. It's just an obsession. Alright, now we're down to 3 of the best finds. 3 of the best finds. I was absolutely shocked. Not only has Must Have Beauty given us a mini LED nail lamp for gel nails, but they are duping okay. I'm going to try that. Wrecks my nails every time I use them because I pull them off. And it's not good. Anyway, I think that's it. Today's total was $70. And it's fine. Everything is fine. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't, please hit subscribe. I love gaining new friends. And until the next one, I'll see you then. Bye.